Deep within the rainforests of the tropics, color becomes a powerful signal. The macaw, with its vivid feathers and commanding presence, is impossible to ignore. Its brilliant reds, blues, and yellows serve more than beauty. They are tools of communication, recognition, and survival. In dense forests where light is scarce, bold colors help macaws identify one another across great distances. These intelligent birds form lifelong bonds, and their calls and colors strengthen social connection within the flock. Here, in the heart of the jungle, color is not decoration. It is identity, cooperation, and life itself.